Welcome to this video on centrifugal switch maintenance and repair. This component is vital for single-phase electric motors. Single-phase motors need a boost to start. The centrifugal switch controls the start winding to provide this initial rotation force. The switch closes when the motor is at rest, allowing power to the start winding. It opens when the motor reaches 75% of its RPM, disconnecting the start winding. Before starting maintenance, secure your workspace. Lock out the power source, discharge the start capacitor, and clear the area of any clutter. To access the switch, you need to dismantle the motor's non-drive end. This involves removing the fan shroud, cooling fan, through bolts, and the end bell. The switch consists of two halves: the stationary plate with electrical contacts and the rotating mechanism with weights and springs. Inspect both for damage. Troubleshooting starts by matching the symptom to the likely failure. Humming means the switch is stuck open. Smoking means it's stuck closed. A tripping breaker means high current draw. Test for continuity with the motor off. Set your meter to continuity or ohms. Probe the stationary terminals. A pass means the meter beeps or shows 0 ohms. To simulate high speed, keep the probes on the terminals and manually push the weights outward. Continuity should break, showing OL. If it keeps beeping, it's a failure. To restore the mechanism, clean the contacts with fine grit sandpaper. Lubricate pivots with dry silicone spray. Do not use heavy grease. Calibrate the preload by sliding the mechanism until the contacts touch. Then, push it 1/16 inch closer and tighten the set screw. This ensures correct electrical pressure. Decide between repair or replacement. If the motor is under 1 HP and over 10 years old, replacing the whole motor may be economical. For larger or high-value motors, replace only the switch. In summary, a hum suggests cleaning contacts, smoke means replacing the plate, and a trip indicates checking movement and lubricating the shaft.